Hello and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to delve into the exciting world of Etsy and explore its selling fee structure. If you're an aspiring entrepreneur or an existing Etsy seller, understanding these fees is crucial to maximizing your profits. So, let's jump right in. Listing fees. Listing fees are charged when you list an item for sale on Etsy. The listing fee is 20 cents USD per item. Listings last for 4 months or until the item sells, whichever comes first. Transaction fees. Transaction fees are charged when an item sells on Etsy. The transaction fee is 6.5% of the sale price, plus the amount you charge for shipping and gift wrapping. Etsy also charges a 4% plus 20 pence processing fee for payments made with Etsy Payments. Off-site ads. Etsy also offers a paid advertising program called off-site ads. When you participate in off-site ads, Etsy may show your listings in search results on other websites. Etsy charges a fee for off-site ads, which is calculated as a percentage of the amount you earn from sales that are generated by off-site ads. Other fees. In addition to listing fees, transaction fees, and off-site ads fees, Etsy may also charge other fees, such as payment processing fees for payments made with PayPal or other third-party payment processors. Shipping labels for shipping your items to customers. Customs fees for shipping your items to international customers. How to avoid fees. There are a few things you can do to avoid Etsy fees. List fewer items. The more items you list, the more listing fees you'll pay. Price your items higher. The higher your prices, the less transaction fees you'll pay. Offer free shipping. Shipping fees can add up, so offering free shipping can help you save money on fees. Use Etsy Payments. Etsy charges a 4% processing fee for payments made with Etsy Payments, but this is often less than the fees charged by third-party payment processors. Use off-site ads sparingly. Off-site ads can be a great way to reach new customers, but they can also be expensive. Use them sparingly to avoid spending too much money on fees. Conclusion. Etsy's selling fee structure can be complex, but it's important to understand how it works so you can make the most of your business. By understanding the fees, you can make decisions about how to list your items, price your items, and offer shipping to avoid paying too much in fees.